Hi everyone again, my name is Sarah Buyucan and it's almost first week of August this summer here in Canada. Sometimes, it's very challenging, especially by yourself or me and my husband is the one who working. So I will just show you some part of our life jobs here in Canada, okay? So anyway, you stay with me until the end of this video and just have fun, okay? Hey guys, so today is my crazy day. It's summer here in Canada and I have so many junk in my backyard. These clothing are used clothes, are all kids clothing, okay? I supposed to send them in Philippines, but I changed my mind and now I decided I will just we're going to put them all in the storage, okay? It's garbage. Ha! Good job, guys. We are going to put all this garbage to that dumpster bin. And we are cleaning up because it's summer. Most of the people here in Canada, when it's summertime, they do all the cleaning up. Okay? This is 2 months. We just rent the big bin. Then we can put everything. Then when it's full, we call the owner to come and throw it for us. This baby car seat is my first son baby car seat. My mom put it on that storage outside, so it's become like this. It's okay, goodbye. My first son ever car seat in Canada. Yeah, and my son, baby number 3, used it too. Putting all this stuff away. Summer cleaning up. So many things to put it away, to give away, to put on the storage. So many, too many junk in my backyard. This is not garbage. These are the old bed for my day home kids and we are throwing out. It's not good. Oh, you're relaxing, man, huh? Tired. Today is my busiest ever this summer because I have so many junk. Oh, actually, this is not junk except that's our junk, okay? And these are my thrift clothing and I'm going to put them in the storage. And finally, I found a cheaper one that I can store them. Yeah, and ready for wagwag. Thank you, honey bunny. Working so hard, helping me. Thank you so much, darling. You need a massage, huh? This is the life here in Canada. So, we're doing storage here. Double garage. Small one? Here. I think this is the messy house ever here in Calgary today, full of junk. Sometimes when you have a plan and it didn't happen, and that's the time you realize that it's not your plan, it's all God's plan. For me, that's how I believe, okay? It's because of this pandemic. Because my plan supposed to be, I want to open a thrift store here in Calgary. It's all kids clothing, okay? And that's my plan for almost like 3 years. So I bought all this stuff clothes, okay? I didn't go ask for free all this clothing, okay? So yeah, so then when the pandemic comes, then I feel like kind of disappointed. I don't know where I put all these clothes, so that's why I don't know when I'm going to open a thrift store here in Calgary. It all depends if I have money. Of course, you need to have money to start a business, and I don't know. So now I'm going to start loading all in my car, and I'm going to try my best to finish this within 2 days. My home is a day home and my basement is the play area for the kids. We're trying to change that red old carpet. So my husband is the one who doing all the jobs. We helping him.
Hi, welcome to my mom's YouTube channel.
Yeah, so
Why you need a
push.
You said a bowl.
We have to put here in the side.
It's like
This is a very old carpet. I don't know how long. And it's my husband's first time to do the carpet here in Canada. I don't know. In Canada, if you want to save money instead of paying those construction guy, you can do it yourself. Just Google or just go to YouTube and do it yourself if you are confident enough. Otherwise, if not, better hire professional people who can do it for you, okay? For us, we can do it. Good job! No, wait! Get me out there, Maya. Look at this one. Pick up those small Legos, please. No, mommy do it. When you remove the carpet, it's just like that. Ha! Okay. I'm not a construction lady,
Look
so.
at the coronavirus.
That's not coronavirus, silly.
Daddy's the engineer.
Well, he's an engineer in Philippines.
But can't he be an engineer in Canada?
Well, he can be if you go to school.
Oh. Now can I take
Ikaw din nata, diretso.
We don't need those stuff. So
Yeah.
just cut it off.
Hey, Morrison, no.
Okay. Oh boy. Ah. Underlay? Oh, I have no idea. And this is a cement. Eh?
Just rip it.
Huh?
Just rip it.
Oh yeah, no, like this. Eh?
Just rip it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. In Canada, if you're going to fix your house and if you pay construction people, it's expensive, you know. So that's why I told you before you come to Canada, you need to have some skills and learn something like construction something, or even you don't have to learn you're back home, you know, it's just a common sense. Just try to figure it out. But if it is a major fix in your home, you need to have those professional people who learn about the houses here in Canada, okay?
My wife is a professional.
Huh? Tips for single ladies out there, aspirant immigrants, okay? You better marry a man who are good in you better marry a man who are good in construction, or a man who are good in like mechanics, like car fixing cars, okay? Because once you are in Canada, I tell you, you're gonna be rich. You know how to make yourself I don't know how to say that. Okay. Come on, keep going.
I don't give you permission.
Keep going, Kuya. You're doing good. Good job, Mariah. You're doing good. That's my girl, Mariah. Lagay dun, ah. That's how our life here in Canada. Welcome to Canada. When you buy a house here in Canada, and if you're going to buy an old house, you know, that's what happens. Sometimes you don't like the color of the carpets, the floor color. So, yeah, so when you buy an old house and the previous owner didn't fix anything or didn't do any renovations, like our house is a very old house and didn't do any renovations. So yeah, when we bought this house, they have the red carpet, a very old one. And because me and my husband is always busy, and we rented this basement before, and yeah, we don't have the chance to change those old carpets, but I'm glad we made it today. That's what happened when you buy an old house. Sometimes you don't like the color of the floor, and it's up to you to do your own renovation. You can pay somebody else to do it for you, okay? But me and my husband can do it, okay? That's how we save money. It's very expensive, especially at this time of pandemic, guys. You know, the wood is very double price of the price here in Canada. For a carpet, it's not healthy for the kids, you know, because carpet, they are absorbing all the dust. Yeah. Is this what you bought today, Kuya? How much are these?
1,100.
1,100.
Yes, I think.
Okay. You're doing good, honey. This is what we have to put it here. $75 for $1. So this baseboard, my husband told me he bought it in. Did you bought this in Home Depot, honey? So he bought this in Home Depot and it's $27. If I were you, if you're going to buy a house, sometimes you have to consider to buy a newer one, okay? Because sometimes when you do some renovations, it's a little bit expensive. Hoy, why you go down more, son. Hey, matinag ka tanga. No, you cannot do that. Mariah, Maisa. You guys are monkey. Good job, honey bunny.